Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. First of all, I would like to say thanks to everyone which is here and the people which watching us by the broadcasting, and also say many thanks for the World Football Summit to organization to offer that space to us. My name is Marcelo. I'm here on behalf of Unilumin Group. So today I would like to introduce to you a little bit more who is Unilumin, what we are doing in the sports markets, and what's our outlook for the future. So what we are planning to do, what's our vision for the sports venues in the future. So first of all, I don't want to spend a lot of time talking about us and about our solution. I do believe that we have a powerful content here with our products to our solution to show to you guys our outlook for the future. So Unilumin is the biggest LED manufacturer in the world. We manufacture LED lighting and display. We are established in 2004, and we have actually over 6,000 employees around the world. We have a services network center which established in more than 100 countries and more than 15 subsidiaries and branch companies distributed around the world. In the past years, Unilumin was figured out was the number one in the LED exports, and despite in the pandemic situation in 2021, we achieved more than $1 billion in the sales US dollar in the sales revenue. So it's a great achievement for us. It kind of proved that we are moving forward in the right direction. And also one more thing that made us very proud of our work is about our factory. Actually, we have the largest and the smartest factory in the world for the LED. It covers area over 400,000 square meters, so everything is automatically. It's the biggest production base in the world for the LED solutions. It's a great video to introduce and give a brief introduction to you guys about our production facilities. It was our third production base. Actually, we have the largest production monthly capacity in the world. We have the ability to supply more than 20,000 square meters of screen every month. So moving forward, before I enter in the explain what we do in the sports sector, just a brief graph to introduce you guys what we do. We just don't only work in sport markets. We do a lot of things from the retail, from the entertainment industry, from the conference, and even from the functional lightings, from the public lightings, everything regarding the LED displays and the LED lighting. But right now, I'm going to talk more about why Unilumin Sports. So Unilumin Sports, it's like a business unit that we have with a very deep expertise to develop sports solutions. So what it means? In that case, we can offer everything regarding LED inside of one sports venue. From the lightings, from the scoreboards, from the perimeter, from the ribbons, and also in case of the indoor application, like the center rungs, everything we can do, and also we have the another ways to distribute our products and solution inside one sports venue, like the press and the conference center, the ticketing, the retail, hospitality areas, everything we can do something. Taking the part of the outdoor, by the way, the outside of the venue solution, we have a lot of things to offer. But the best thing that we do is, like I said before, we are not just a one more LED solution provider. We have a very deep expertise in sports market, which make us the pioneer on that industries with the specific solutions for the sports markets, which means that it met our requirements from the leagues, from the federation, and everything. So here we showing to you guys a simple video, which means the combination of our solution for one sports venue. So here we have our perimeter product. It has a certification from UEFA, FIFA, many other federations. It's a very special product. Perfect for the broadcast with dual backup, redundancy. This is nice to show to you guys because it's like I said before, all the products that we use in the sports venues are especially designed for the sports venues. So to offer many kind of features and protections for the customers from that kind of application. Especially that product is quite used here in Europe in many venues and clubs. It's a multifunctional product. The same product that you use for the perimeter, you also can use for the flat screens, like scoreboards or from events, something like that. This is a special product designed to make the ribbon. It's very easy to install, and the maintenance is very convenient. Okay. You have the emergency gate to so as you can see, the product is really designed for the sport application. Okay. Just moving forward, because I have more rich content. Here showing the same situation, but for indoor applications. So as you can see, we have different product line, even for indoor, either for outdoor. Here we just use it from the solution that we are doing from some basketball venues, something like that. We are going to show some very nice project case to you guys. This product, Eurosport MA, is a very versatile product you can use for many kind of applications, as you can see by this video. It's very easy to install, very lightweight. Right now, you guys are going to see, we provide the turnkey solution. We give you guys the drawings, the requirements from the structure, from the electro part, the data side, everything. We have the expertise to design and provide the turnkey solution to those venues and clubs. As you can see, the product is one product has many kind of application. You can create the corners, we can create the round shapes, everything. So also the product for the perimeter, that product is quite interesting because I will show to you guys later. We developed this product together FIBA, which is together the basketball standard. So moving forward, before I show it to you guys about the display part, right now we also would like to show just a brief video about the lighting part. We have a very deep expertise to lighting situations, not only for this case is going to show about the soccer, the football, more related to this event, but we can provide in lighting for special lightings for any kind of sports, from basketball to soccer to badminton, anything. Actually, the products met all standards from FIFA, from UEFA, from all leagues and the federation around the world. It's a very high-end product. We also can interrogate this product like at those lighting shows. I'm going to show some example to you guys. Besides those hardwares, I show it to you guys, even the display and light, we have the whole part for the softwares. Even to just a simple control of the scoreboards, or a control to the perimeter, or a control for all screens inside of one sports venue. We can control everything just from one software, one station. It means that we can deliver it to you guys convenient operation and integration with the lighting, sound, and everything that we have, like special effects. We can put everything under one platform and make your venue operation very easy and convenient. So there are some technical certification that we got from recent projects. There are some from FIFA, some from UEFA, especially from that perimeter system that we showed to you guys. And here there are some project case that we did recently in the Europe market. Actually, we export for more than 100 countries, but we just selected some relevant cases from Europe to show to you guys. So here we have the giant scoreboards for Allianz, the Warsaw Stadium in Poland, Bay Arena in Germany. It's a very famous venue. Veltins Arena also in Germany. So we did the Cube and the Ribbon. The Etihad Stadium from Manchester City. We are the official supplier to them. So, like I said before, I would like to move faster on the institutional part to spend more time on that kind of content. Right now, we are going to talk about the meta-site concept. It's not concept. We can say now that it's a solution because it's already true. We are already put it on the market. So what means meta-site? Right now, we was seeing here another presentation of the guys from Meta. They was talking about the metaverse. Our meta-site solution has almost the same concept of the metaverse. But the big difference is that we are talking about the real world, not the virtual world. So basically, MetaSite is a kind of immersive experience which combines display, lighting, audio, software, content, and another kind of technology that I'm going to show to you guys. What made us develop that kind of solution? Right now, we are facing the world a very big transformation, not only for the digital economic, but the experience. Normally, I say that the fan right now, they don't go to the stadium, to the sports venue, to see the game. They go there to feel the game, to feel the match. So those venues and clubs should be very well arranged to provide them that better experience. So right now, we use the MetaSide solution to promote that economic moment and also use that economic moment to push our technology development forward. So here is a concept video for the solution. So how we imagine and how we are going to help that sports venues in that digital transformation. So there is an opening ceremony from the Beijing Olympic Games. We provided a whole system to them. And then it's a Kazan Stadium in Russia. It's very nice. So basically, what we are going to do with the MetaSite concept is use our technology to transform those experiences and those venues into digital era. So, as you can see, we would like to use our technology to promote that experience. So we have a wide range of applications which combine light and display technology and bring more value to those venues, event, match, or anything which happens over there. Help to transform the venues and the public landmarks. It's very interesting. You can open more commercial opportunities, generate more revenue sources. So you can see there is multiple applications, multiple possibilities. Facade can be as well connected with everything, change the colors, anything as we want. Make some integration with augmented reality, virtual reality, sensors, anything that we want to do. Is that possible under that concept? Always talk about experience, like the lighting shows that I said to you guys before. It's being very common in that sports venues. So like I said, we use our integrate control to combine everything and control everything. It makes the operation quite easier because you think that's complex because there are so many technologies, but no, it's quite easier and very convenient. So basically, I'm going to talk very fast here about what's the main objective, the main achievements with the MetaSite solution. Of course, we have a very impactful visual experience, but it's not all. We hope that our solution make a better use of the audio-visual solutions to make to offer a better fun experience. And also to create more revenue source, because for example, in case of one facade of one sports venue. Normally we have that kind of very big facade, but they didn't use it to make money. So we can also help them to generate more revenue sources with our solution under that concept. Another very important thing that's right now, we do not build stadiums just for that sport, for the football, for the basketball, no. We build the venues for the events, no matter it's a football, no matter it's a concert, no matter it's a e-sports events. Meta-site solutions bring that thing real. We can make very easy and convenient the switch between the application method. So if you are going to hold a live event or a football match, it's very easy to switch the solution between them. And like I said before, the operation becomes more safe and efficient because we combine everything under one platform to control. So here, I'm going to talk about some special partnerships that we have and some relation with our meta-site concept. So it means I will show some project case in the partnership here that we have that they are already moving to the meta-site world. First of all, I do believe that everyone knows as well here the Manchester City. We are very proud to be the official partner from the Manchester City. Okay, right now, 2 weeks ago, we renewed the cooperation with them, with the ceremony in our headquarters. It's a very nice experience, and I'm showing to you what we are going to do in the future with them. So, here we can see the perimeter screen from the Manchester City. We were some of the first club to offer high-resolution dual-tier perimeter system in Europe. Right now, that commercial space is some of the most valuable in the sports sector in Europe. So as you can see, it's a very nice job that we did because in the camera one perspective, you can see just like a one screen. But in fact, there's a two-tier screen. So it was a great challenge for us in the beginning to make it very precise. We has like less than 5 millimeters adjustment. So it's a very precise situation. So, oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. Sorry, guys. Oh. Just a second. Here, the next slide is about Manchester City. I will show to you guys the concept that we are doing to them for the next steps of our cooperation. So what we are going to do with them to the, okay. Yeah. So the next step, we are going to do the upgrade of the ribbons screens. Okay, you can see the difference between the perimeter and the ribbon. So right now we are going to install the brand new ribbon to them. And here we have some concept video that how we design and suggested to them to be the exterior facade. This is not real, this is a rendering, it's a concept, but they released us to show it here. So it's our solution to them what they can do in the facade to create more commercial space, more brand activation, to make a better fan experience using our technology, of course. And here, another renderings that we did to them, suggesting the new improvements on the digital signage area inside of the venue, like the lobby, the ticket entrance, the retail, the food and beverage area, the concourse, everything going to be digital with the huge screens, pixel-shaped screens. Okay, another great cooperation that we have here, we are very proud also, it's with FIBA. With FIBA, we have a cooperation for us official supplier of FIBA, but also we cooperate with FIBA to develop the basketball standard for the LED. So besides that standards, we also develop some corporate product with them that's going to be used as a standard in the all basketball venue. So here we held recently in Europe the Eurobasket 2022. The Spain was the champion. And then on the event, we debug our new product in cooperation with FIBA.
Eurobasket, with the biggest basketball star in Europe, competing at the highest level, makes us very, very joyful. We can once again deliver value to our commercial partners and exciting games to our fans globally. Regarding Unilumin support, the company was instrumental for the success of Eurobasket. Their team, as an official supplier of FIBA, has provided Unilumin's LED boards in 4 venues: Prague, Tbilisi, Cologne, and now also in Berlin, bringing a better visual experience to the event and our commercial partners. There is no unified indoor perimeter industrial standard on the market, and most organizers use traditional fixed cabinets. Our aim was to create a product of highest standard for basketball globally. Basketball plays an increasingly important role in the global industry. In order to bring a better game experience to our commercial partner, fans, and the global audience, we urgently need to transition from a simple graphic display to a high-definition video. This is why we developed this joint product, and I'm very pleased to say that F24 fully meets the demand and solves the pain point of this industry.
What he said.
So the F24 co-developed product with FIBA and Unilumin has a few advantages that we would like to share with you. One of them is the HDR possibilities of the screen, which make an immersive effect in the stadium very, very seamless with TV production. Another advantage of the system is it has an automated detection system in case an event occurs, where it automatically reboots or adjusts the screen so that it will have a seamless continuation of the production. The last thing is a full LED has the padding on top, so that the players or officials along the court, or people who work along the court, have a safe protection area, so there will be no problem for them during the game. Very, very impressive performance of the LED screen. It has also this technology that detects that if there is a problem, that there is an immediate support and an immediate effect to have a backup, so that there is actually a seamless production of it on the LED related to the screen.
Yeah, I like that partnership case with FIBA, because it kind of proof that us have a great ability to understand the customer and the market needs and revert this into the products and solution. So it's like I said on the beginning, we are not only one more manufacturer of the LED lighting or display. We have a very nice and a deep expertise in the sports sector. And this another project is from Taizo. It's a project that we did recently in China. It was a stage of some Olympic Games, and we did a very nice project to them which combines the lighting and display. Everything that you can see bright in there is made from Unilumin. From the exterior facade, the outside floodlights, the sports light, everything is provided by Unilumin. You can see that project, it's a very nice project that I would like to talk, because we develop everything from scratch. You guys are going to see by the video in the following slides. But we understand the project needs and also the cultural side of that event and the venue. So we combined the programming of the lights with the cultural sides. Everything was a very in-depth thinking to figure out the best solution to them. So as you can see here, the facade, the exterior lights, everything is controlled and then integrated. Okay, so let's see to the real. So that video is a very nice video. It shows a mix of technology using our solution that we offer to Taizo Stadium, but also a combination with augmented reality and another technology. So it's how we look the future of the opening sports, the opening ceremony of the sports events, the so as you can see, we have here a great combination of the content, the display, lighting, interaction, sensor, augmented reality, many kind of different technologies working together under one control. Special effects. For us, it's quite clear. This kind of project is how we see the future of the sports venue. We have the total ability and expertise to bring it in China to the world. We are doing it already. I used to do something similar that we are doing in Brazil. Like I said, we are talking about the metaverse in the real world. This is meta side. By the way, China is doing a very nice job in that kind of projects, especially in sports sector. There is no way. That's the project that I told to you guys that we are doing in Brazil. It's an Arena Mervi, it's a house of the Atlético Mineiro. It's a big club in Brazil. And right now we are very proud with the cooperation with them because we work with them from that project science from the scratch. And now we already got the project. Right now, the next month, we are going to start the installation of those technology. So for that project, we are going to do the turnkey solution to them, which will offer the whole sports lighting that you can see there with the special control system that can provide very nice lighting shows and integrations. The main ball is fulfilled with the LED board, so we try to cover many different places with the LED, which gives to them more commercial capacity and the possibilities. And also everything is integrated. For example, if you are showing like this a head campaign, the advertising campaign, you also can put the lights on red. And then here we have the most interesting situations about the project that we did for the exterior facade. As you can see, here we have about 5 kilometers of the LED clusters, full integrated with the lighting, the digital signage network, and everything that make the advertising into the sports venue. So guys, that's it. We have a very short time here. Someone has one question. Here we left the contact here. I'm Marcelo and also Oscar Feng, which is our global director in charge of the sport markets. We have a stand here on the expo area. We are very able to talk and show more details to our few guys, okay? Thanks for everyone.